Genesis Motor America, in partnership with the U.S. Soccer Foundation and the MLS Players Association, are really proud to bring you 2 new mini pitches to the Barack Obama Charter School here in Compton, California.
This is about giving young people a place to connect with their friends, their neighbors, to develop important life skills.
My name is Brendan Ramirez, and I'm the Director of Corporate Social Responsibility at Genesis. And today, we have the ribbon cutting of the mini pitch soccer arena.
In thinking about what is the power of sports for my kids at Barack Obama Charter School, what I've seen is that providing this opportunity is going to open a lot of doors for them to challenge themselves, for them to find motivation, that they can exceed any challenge.
Having this for the kids, especially me being a coach and everything, was just a dream come true, really.